it's on. Okay, Dawson. I'll grab it. You're just gonna have to reel it up in there. Dawson's one and only catch of the day. An osprey.
Come over the heads.
Right over your head?
Yeah.
You gotta reel him in, Joe. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Keep reeling. Hey, 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 hey. Don't bite me, I'm trying to help you.
Oh, he's gonna fuck you up,
Oh,
dude.
he is, too. I wonder if these guys are mean.
Fuck yeah, look at that beef.
I know. He looks mad as hell. Stop.
You want the net over his face?
Yeah, give me the net.
Where's it at?
It's right there.
Right where?
That one.
This one?
Yep. Yep, net. Camera guy is so terrible.
Hey.
Hey, when you got the camera, all you do is the camera.
Well, looked like you guys needed a hand.
Hey, reel your catch in, sir.
I can't, you're holding it through my pole.
Where'd he go?
See eagles?
No, but we caught an osprey.
No, I was gonna say just hold. I'll hold his head with the net while you pull it up.
Just get him up here. Keep him over here. Get him. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. I got the net. You, Justin.
What do you mean pull him up? I have the net.
You got
Pull
the
your
fucking
rod.
cord. I'm trying to hold his head and get it out of his wing.
I was gonna hold his head down.
Fucker.
Shit.
Oh, shit. I got the net. Damn, I had that perfect too, Bird. You got him like right under the wing. Pull it up, Gus. Pull him up.
Put your hand there. He's gonna fuck you up.
Just shut up. Don't grab the net. Pull it up. Christ, they got some fucking strong ass fucking wings, man. Holy shit.
That'd be better if we just cut the line.
Okay.
His beak is there. It goes.
Calm down, buddy. There you go. Woo! Retard.
Where's he?
He's gone. He
Yeah,
went
right
under.
there.
He's over.